everyone, this is Krista. I am using Screencast-O-Matic to talk about my Mini Art School Part 1 project, Introduction to Rules of Design. I chose a piece that I created as an example for a lesson plan for students grade 9 and up to 12. The assignment was to create a newsletter based on a reading of a text. And this was an interesting assignment because I felt like I wanted them to talk about themselves and their own zodiac and spiritual beliefs or astrological beliefs. And so I created this using my own signs. I'm a Leo, and I was born in the year of the rooster. And so I just thought that this was an interesting assignment. I went forward and I used some of the techniques that I read about. And what was particularly interesting was this asymmetrical column grid based on the golden section. This was one of the websites in Module 2 reading, and I played around with the layout that was there, presented as a template, and I also used some of the techniques talked about in the White Space is Not Your Enemy text. I like the way that this yellow picture bleeds off the page, and I really enjoyed creating this. It was a challenge because I had to start from nothing. I used to create this piece MS Publisher, Microsoft Publisher, and in order to just get a still image or a thumbprint of the image, I went to Print Preview. But when I go back to the workspace, you can see that I played around with the different functions that are available in Publisher. And, this is new to me, doing this from scratch. But this is a great application for those who want to use either templates that are already available, or you can play around with these different page parts using some of the suggestions that we've read about in our text. So this was a challenging task, but it was a good task, and I did learn a lot. So thanks for listening. Bye.